What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to talk about how I handle some losses that I had on Monday, Tuesday, and how I was able to recover from them today. So it's simple. I'm just going to go right into the chart and analyze what I had to do and what I had to do and how I control it. And I almost blew my account, but thank God I got it back up. But at the same time, I want to like psychology behind it. I want to explain to you guys so that you can have more insight about what is going on and what, in case you might be going through the same thing, or you might be, maybe you have had experience and you don't know what to do. Because I know some people, I was thinking to myself yesterday, like, I don't want to trade this week again. I'm like, nah, it's just nothing. It's just nothing. And today I was able to make back the majority of the losses that I had from Monday to Tuesday. So I want to go into the charts and explain more about it. But before I do that, if you are a new viewer and you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up after watching it or before watching it. But before what I do, and again, I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Mosh. You can call me Smiling Mosh. You can call me Baba Oja. I trade GJ. I trade GJ, GBP, JPY, and GBP USD right now for a living. You can call it day trader. But anyway, so let's go and just talk about charts. Then we now talk about the psychology involved and what you need to do after a big losses. Peace out. So let's go. I'm about to share my screen with you guys. Right now I'm currently on a trade, which is moving my way. Okay, so sorry guys. Okay. When trade is going our way, we just so this is the trade. I'm on GBP JPY right now, selling. So hoping to get to this point. So we're about halfway done, 370 pips right now, and we want to get like 750. So yeah, we want 75. We get 75 pips right now, from the trade. So let's say before the New York Tokyo session open. But right now we are in profit and we are securing the trade. So with that being said, let's go and talk about today's topic. So which is, first of all, I want to talk about how I get to miss out, how I would also say messed up, and the experience and the learning curve that I had on Monday and Tuesday. So I think it all started from Monday, right? So on Monday, when the market opened, let me just put this in on. Okay, this way is better. Okay, so on Monday, we can see this was Monday, right? Was Monday. I entered the trade quite early, like around 7 a.m. in the morning, and my trade was pretty much around this area. It was around, okay, I can't remember. Okay, so this was the trade. And my stop loss was around 150 pips. Yeah, was around here. So if you take a good look at this, it never hit my stop loss. It never, like, it didn't even reach to that point before it started moving up, right? But that is not the case. So what it makes me feel better share things with you guys. After I entered the trade for a buy, right? Then I saw this opportunity for a retest, and after we broke this structure with this candle, with this bullish candle, I was like, okay, wait, I think the market is ready. Like, I thought the market was ready. I enter another one. So I move my stop loss to break even, then the new one to my first entry. So I have to trade running, risking just same. I was risking 50% of my initial entry. Perfect. Everything was going well. The trade was like around it got to about, let's say, from here for about 40 pips. I didn't even realize it was 40 pips, honestly. I didn't know. Because if that was the case, I would have closed. One of my strategy is when I'm trading, when I have multiple trade, I close like almost 60% or 50% of my trade and let the rest run. So what I would have done, I would have closed the new trade that I had, then let the other ones run. So that's what I normally do. But I didn't do it in this case. I was just leaving it since we just broke a previous resistance level, then turn support. Then I was like, okay, I was so confident about it, which it later happened, but it didn't happen at that. That happened, then it cut me off from both the trade. Then I was like, okay, hold on. Since and I have my strategy is like, okay, this is this M pattern right here. We have M pattern right here. We have oh, sorry, let me just delete it. We have M pattern right here. We have M pattern right here. So for me, I was like, okay, now we're about to go down. Let's go. Then I enter another sell. I got in. Then my SL was around 150. Yeah, it was around there. Then I was targeting this low, which we are just heading to right now. Then guess what? I got stopped out again. That's twice. Then GBP, that was the second day. So I was mad at myself. I was mad at myself because I didn't follow my plan. That's one. And secondly, like I know better not to move my stop loss, especially when the market is still ranging. But because I already like had a second trade, then I didn't want to start risking more than 5 or 10% of my account. So I just had to do it. So that was it. So, sorry, guys, let me just put this in on silent for you guys. So anyway, so that was it on Monday. But on Tuesday, what happened on Tuesday? On Tuesday, so what happened on Tuesday was I carried the pain. I would not say the pain, I carried the revenge. Like I was coming to the market to take revenge of what happened. So I came to the market. I didn't even trade what I was saying. I was trading what I wanted to happen. I wanted the market to go my way or the way I wanted to. So I enter I enter buy from here. Then I got stopped out. I got stopped out. Then after that, I didn't even realize that the market was changing direction. Well, I didn't even know. So I saw this thing. I got in like second time here. It caught me off. I didn't know why I got in the first place because this was my strategy. Like my emotion got into me like it clouded my face. I wasn't seeing anything, right? So same thing happened. The market broke down. Then we got a retest, and I should have entered for sell. I did got in as a buy here. For it went for about was in a was in a it was about 30 piece. I didn't close it. Funny enough, I didn't close it. I'm just looking at it right now. I didn't close it because I felt like okay, we're gonna go complete because I felt like we're on the uptrend. So I enter a new trade. I got stopped out and blah blah blah. Same scenario, same thing that happened here happened over there. So, but because I was so hungry at myself in the previous result, then I forgot totally to focus on the new day and to place trade according to my plan. So I got stopped out here. Then I think I entered trade from here again. Then I got stopped out. Like I got stopped out like three times on Tuesday. Then, and let's talk about what happened today on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, what happened was I woke up and it was around 7 a.m. when I woke up. Immediately after I woke up, I just picked up my phone. I saw the market is having issue, is not having issue, but having not to break this structure. I'm like, okay, since same thing happened, same thing happened here. If I go to 30 minutes time frame, you guys will see what I'm talking about. Okay. So same thing happened. We have M pattern here and we got broke. Then we got a retest and it's just something that I never thought of. We had even the hem pattern. Hem pattern comes in different dimension that you don't really know. See, then we have this, then complete. This is a complete hem pattern. If I was supposed to enter the trade, I would have entered the trade from this area. Then have my stop loss about 20 pips. Then had it to run like see. It would have been 1:4 trade. Easy peasy, like not no stress. But because my emotion was so cloud, like the thing cloud my face, and I forgot. I forgot I was even trading. I was gambling. Like I was totally gambling. But with this trade, I was able to get at least 75-80% of my profit back. So I'm almost break even right now. So with this trade that I have currently now, so I'm break even now. Yeah, I'm trading on break even right now. But from what I'm saying, we should see more because we just broke the structure. Yeah, we just broke this. So what we see market is consolidating. So I'm waiting for Tokyo session to open so we can get the momentum to continue the downtrend. So that is it, guys. So I hope you guys learn one or two things from this. And I want to share something, the psychological aspect of me being able to make profit today. So one of the things that helped me was I talked to a friend of mine from the gym. Like I didn't even know he's a trader. So we're just having a conversation that we're just sharing our day. I'm like, oh, what do you do? He's like, I'm a forex trader. I was like, oh, really? Okay. Sorry, he said I'm a stock trader. And I was like, oh wow. And he's been trading stock for 4 years. I'm like, wow, that's good. So I was like, we just started sharing our day. I was like, oh my day. And it was like, and for him, when he shared his own story to me, and I was like, it was like he's not happy about how he traded today. I'm like, what do you mean you're not happy? He said, I'm not happy. He said today was still a profitable day, but he was not happy with the process at which he got the result with. And for me, I'm like, oh God, are you kidding me? Like, what was there with the process when when you're supposed to be making when you make money, so you should be happy. It's like, don't you know that as long as you follow the process, it makes sense easy. Like it doesn't care whether it's a losing trade or winning trade, but it cares more about how he got the trade. It care about the process more about the end game. And that is a game changer. When you think about the money, when you think about the profit, when you attach your emotion with it, and your expectation is not met, it can break you sometime or most of the time, right? So then when he shared that with me, I'm like, damn, I've been like, I'm totally messed. Like, why would I be doing this to myself? Like, like I know what I'm doing. That if it's not working today, it's probably gonna work tomorrow. Like if it's not working tomorrow, it's probably gonna work the third day. If not working in a week, it's gonna work the following week. So I believe in my strategy and I have so much confidence in my strategy. So why should I be angry because of little mistake that that is meant to happen. I'm human, I'm not a robot. It's only a robot that can trade, that can be programmed to do a certain things time without number without making any mistakes. So then that way I just like, damn bro, that conversation was helpful. I won't lie to you. And that was the thing that got me to like, okay, I'm starting a new day afresh. I'm not letting anything from yesterday to hold me back and all. So, I hope this conversation, this little conversation help you guys. If it does, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscriber yet, make sure you subscribe. And we will see each other, maybe whether in the bank, whether where you're riding your bands, your any car of your choice, or maybe where you are taking your family on the trip or you're taking yourself on a trip, we will see each other at the higher table. Peace out.